Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, click like, subscribe, and let's get into the video, man. So, I know I've been away for a few days, but you know, a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. I've been analyzing the charts, I've been staying out of the market, avoiding L's, but to be honest, I tried to take a trade yesterday on the 100 Rand challenge account and I blew it, guys, but I'm gonna try again though. But anyway, this is a market breakdown on gold. So I know many of you guys trade gold and hopefully can catch some interest. But to be honest, gold is a bit choppy, so you have to know when to time your entries. Because as you guys can see currently on gold, it's just currently hunting stop losses. But anyway, let's get into the video, man, and let's get it. Oh yeah, and for those that say I can't trade, what do you mean, bro? Have I not predicted moves like this? Like this? Come on, bro. Look at my past videos. You will see I analyzed the chart and I literally broke it down to the T. And you guys come say I can't trade. Bro, if I can't trade, unsubscribe to the channel. Don't watch my videos. Nigga. So currently we have gold, as you guys can see. And let me get into the market. So as you guys can see from the market, gold has been on a very bullish trend, as you can see from the upside. But in the past, it was stuck in a consolidation. Let me just change the line chart and draw the support line. So I'm on a daily time frame to see the past of what happened in the past in the market. Because as you guys know, in forex history tend to repeat itself. But you can see in this market we currently where I put my line, my resistance line and my support line in this part in from 20 August 2020 till the beginning of last year, Feb 2024, we've been stuck in this inside this consolidation. If I just show you guys, and then the market was failing to break above, causing resistance, and on the bottom support. But what I wanna highlight is when it broke out, we have been on a bullish trend, meaning an uptrend, right? So as you guys can see, all the lines that I'm gonna draw out right now is where the market tends to respect zones. Like I'll show you guys now. Like I would draw my my horizontal line at the top at the highest high, and yeah, at the low of the day or whatever you would like to call it. But I'm just putting lines where market tends to reverse, and also sensitive zones in the market. So yeah, let me just go here and show you guys. So as you guys can see, we just switch back to candlesticks. So in current market price, as you guys can see here, zoom it right for you guys. Yeah, as you guys can see, so where where the lines are, when it was where the lines are, it tends to respect a lot. As you guys can see, it respects that zones. But I just wanna mark the. You can also use rectangles to cover the areas where the lines don't cover. So this here is the high, the current high of gold, which it actually reads like 335. I'm not sure the price of 3,500, but it doesn't matter. I just wanted to show that to you guys. But I'm gonna copy this and then yeah, I'm gonna just drag it here. So this zone we currently playing here in this zone. So yeah, I can show you guys the terrain that we in visually so that you guys don't get confused. Why is it black? I mean red. Yeah, so as you guys can see, the trend is literally going up. Like I put even the arrows there. So yeah, currently gold is playing in this bullish area right here, right? And on the daily time frame, we have respected resistance zones, resistance support, creating higher highs and higher lows. So this move, it signals to us that we are going up. There's no way we can look for a sell trade in a bullish market. So what I urge you guys to do is mark up your zones, look at, ask yourself, is this making sense? If you're seeing a sell in a buy market, do you think that's the trade you should go for? I don't think so. But right back to the market, you guys can see the market is going up. So we have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And then we didn't make a higher low. And then this market made a lower low. Then currently we haven't made a higher high. So that I could say this is a higher low, but remember we're in a bullish trend. So gold like to consolidate. Sorry. Gold like to consolidate. It like to play with your emotions before taking the overall direction. On the daily time frame, you can see we bullish, and the zones that I currently mark up is where we're playing in. This is like a consolidation area. But let me go the 4 hour to show you guys what I mean. So on the 4 hour, as you guys can see here, yeah. So you guys can see we kind of stuck in this consolidation because it's just going down, up, down, up, down, up. But I'm personally rooting for buys because what did I say? The trend of the market is bullish. So what I would like to do is sometimes I would just to clean my chart, make my chart look clean, I would just drag it up for that touch. And now I would start looking levels at where the markets respect a lot on the 4 hours, because that's basically gonna be my area of interest where I take the buy from. So in the past, you guys can see here, this was a very respected level here. This is a very respected level. It's like a sensitive point in the market because every time it goes up from here, when it comes to that zone, it bounces off it to go up again. Here was a tricky market, choppy market, but overall it respected the zone, forcing the market to go up again. And currently we did reach that zone here, and we didn't really reach it, but that zone pushed the market to go up. And now currently with current market price, it is selling. So, but that's just a it's market is only testing you guys out to have patience. Now, normally what I would do, I would find the trends in trends, like the trends in trends strategy, where we know the overall trend is bullish, but where the current market is, I want to see where what trend is that in. So if you drag your trend line from here, from the highest point here, I just drag it through here. You can see we were in a slight bearish trend, meaning downtrend. If I clone that, if I take it to the other side, we were kind of in a bearish trend. But as you guys can see, currently the market has broken out of that bearish trend, and now we're currently having a retest on this strong support level because we broke out now of this high here. This was the lower low. I mean the lower high, but market pushed up to break above, and now we have a retest to look for further buys going to the upside. So what could possibly happen from here is we currently are at market price. The market could go up, like it could go bullish, but we have to time our specific entries. But also I want to teach you guys more about zones and how to spot your levels. And also remember we're in NFP week, so this is a very volatile week. So normally I wouldn't trade this week, but for some reason I don't know why I didn't stick to my rules, but because I tried to rush the challenge, but forget about that. This zone also here is a very respected level in the market, as you guys can see. So every time it comes here, support, support, I'm just resistance, support. But you guys already know that. So what I would see here, if we broke out of a bearish trend, what is the overall move telling us? What's the overall move telling us? So it's to buy, right? So yeah, we're looking for buys, and currently where we are, we're at a very strong level because as you can see here in the past, there was resistance. Whenever we under, we go down, we go down. Here we go down, here we go down, here we go down. Currently we are above. So now we have no. I'm not saying we have it. We're gonna go up here, but the logical decision is to go up with the market, right? So where I would look for the 1 hour, I would see on the 4 hour we currently broke out. So I would look on the 1 hour for entries, and as you guys can see, we currently broke out of this zone here. Let me just reset my chart and show you guys here. We're currently at market prices. So we know we broke out of a trend, and to determine our entry, we have to look for shift of structure, meaning you can't just sell, you can't just buy because it broke out and retested. While as you can see in this small trend here, we still bearish because you can't just take your buyer. You have to wait till market shift structure. And currently where we are, the market has shifted structure because on the 1 hour this was bearish going down, and then it was just creating lower lows, lower lows, lower highs. And then we broke out, making this point here higher. If I can go to a 30-minute, you will see it clearer. So you can see this was lower, lower, lower high, lower, lower, lower high. The market structure was bearish, and then it broke that lower low and the lower high, shifting the market to bullish, right? Because we have a higher high currently. But currently where we are, market is playing around. Because in every week this tends to happen a lot. And what I would suggest is for you guys to wait for a simple break above, retest, and then we go up. For me, swing trade on gold, I would suggest you wait for this break and retest above, and you can put your take profit here. Three, yeah, you can put your take profit there. Also, gold is very volatile, guys. So don't risk your small money, like. But anyway, with no risk, no Lambo, bro. But like I'm trying to say here, guys, well, gold is it likes to play around a lot. It's a very volatile pair. It can make you a lot of money. It can also lose you a lot of money. So to extra confirm your entries, as you guys can see, here, we we broke out here in the small trends in trends. Come on, man. Sorry about that. Small trends in trends here. We broke out of it, so we should be rooting for buys. Because my analysis for NFP, I think it's a buy, but I'll come back to you guys after NFP. But this is my prediction on gold. I do believe that we could be having strong buys to the upside. So yeah, this is my prediction on gold. And currently, as you guys can see, the 4 hour rejecting that support level, confirming to us that we have a strong support level here. Because we broke out of the trend, like I told you guys. Here was support. I mean, the resistance. It's a very strong zone in the market. So all the way from here, what I hope is we go up from here, and NFP could be a buy for gold. But however, NFP is very risky. Don't trade if you don't have money to lose. But this is a very choppy. We also try to stay out of it as much as you can. But yeah, so this is my analysis for gold. If you like the video, click like and subscribe and share the video if you can. Thanks for watching, and yeah, more analysis videos coming soon, and I'll see you guys next time.